different degrees of bending, it will still return to its original shape, which can better help you to iron out the shape you want. Abandon the CMA ironing ruler and the dot bench is more in line with our habit. For example, when we need to iron 1/2 inch to sew, we only need to line the fabric with 1/2 inch line, and after folding it, you can use an iron to iron it to the size you want to sew. After ironing the fabric, it can be sewn. It is very suitable for making trousers and skirt hem, etc. In addition, the ironing ruler has a special arc part, very suitable for sewing work with arcs. For example, when making pockets, you can use our ironing ruler to make a circular arc at the bottom of the pocket. Furthermore, there are 3 angles on the ironing ruler to facilitate your sewing work with angle requirements. For example, when we need to sew clothes with an angle of 45 degrees, we only need to use a pen to make the mark on the clothes to sew clothes with 3 common angles.